Hi, the agenda for the meeting today is we are going to look at how a doctor can use the Salvio app. What are the steps that he or she has to do to use the Salvio app? I'm going to walk you through the complete doctor part of the application. So first step is the doctor registration. So doctor has to create his or her account with the name, phone number, email, password. And once the registration is done, so doctor has to log into the Salvio application with his email or phone number and the password. Once the registration is done and the doctor logs into the Salvio application for the first time, the doctor has to fill up his profile with his name, date of birth, gender, qualifications, languages, and a lot of other information which the doctor has to fill it up. There is an option where the doctor has to update the KMC number and the digital signature into this application. Once the doctor updates this KMC and the digital signature, this information goes into the prescription of what doctor gives it to the patient. Only then the prescription is valid. Now, let's get it on. Let's go to the doctor calendar where the doctor will have to update when which time he is available, from which slot to which slot he is available, and then on which days he is available, and things like that. So once the calendar is updated, the calendar is split into 15 minutes each. Two patients, so the patient can book a 15-minute slot with the doctor based on the time slot which the doctor is giving. Once the calendar is done, so doctor will be able to see on which are all the days he has given his availability. He can edit that here. And once the calendar is also created, the doctor comes into the dashboard. The dashboard will have various options like my appointments, my calendar, edit calendar, my accounts, my profile. So the appointments, the calendar and other things we have already seen. The my calendar is the doctor availability which he can update. Edit calendar is editing the availability of whatever he has previously entered. The profile information is what the doctor has filled in before even coming into the application. Now we'll go to the appointments. The appointments will have the information of the list of appointments, whatever the doctor has been booked. One is the past appointment, other one is an upcoming appointment. Past appointment will have all the past appointments which the doctor has handled. So the doctor will be able to see the time slot, the patient name, and the doctor name. And on the detailed view of appointment, they will be able to see the ailment details, the past documentation if they have attached anything into this appointment, and a few other informations like the age, and then gender, and then the height and weight, and some vital information which the patient has to fill in. When it comes to the consultation, the Salvio offers two types of consultation to our patients. One is a video consultation, other is a chat consultation. Video consultation is similar to our Zoom and then Skype and other video conferencing tools where the patient and a doctor will engage in a video conversation. In respect with respect to the chat consultation, the patient and the doctor will engage in a chat conversation which is inbuilt in Salvio app. The patient will be able to question and then the doctor will be able to answer for it. It'll go on a chat thread. So this is about the chat and the video consultation. The appointment is clearly differentiated with the icon of a video icon and a chat icon in the appointments list for the doctor. Now when the doctor is entering his availability in the Salvio app, he or she can choose to be on a video consultation mode or on a chat consultation mode or both. So depending upon the doctor's convenience, the doctor can select whichever consultation mode he is comfortable with. Secondly, when it comes to the video consultation or a chat consultation, the doctor has to initiate the conversation from his side. So when you click on the video icon in this list, the appointment starts. Once the appointment is started, it sends a notification to the patient saying the doctor is waiting for you in the conversation room to start the consultation. Only when the patient receives this notification, he will be able to enter into the chat room. We have not given the facility for the patients to start this conversation because we respect doctor's time. One, the doctor might be busy with another appointment, it could take some time, so the doctor may be 5 or 10 minutes late to this appointment. We don't want the patient to nag the doctors by waiting in the patient room saying the doctor has not come in, doctor has not started the appointment, and things like that. So we have given the control with the doctor saying yes, start this appointment whenever you are ready. And once the conversation is started, the doctor will have to close the conversation after the consultation is over. So everything has been in control with the doctor. Now let's get to the chat consultation. As we see in the screen, chat consultation is more of a WhatsApp kind of a chat, where the doctor will be able to type from the Salvio app and say yes. For example, how are you feeling now? What is that your what is the symptoms that you have, and things like that. So this is about the chat conversation. There are two options in the chat, in both in chat and in video consultation. Is one is patient no show. If the doctor is waiting for a long time, say 15 minutes, then the patient have not turned up to the appointment, you can click on patient no show, saying the patient have not turned up to the appointment, and now you are closing this conversation, which means that the patient have not come up to the appointment, and he or she cannot get a refund, or he or she cannot reschedule this appointment again. Close conversation is you have completed this appointment with the patient, and now you are closing the conversation. Now after closing this conversation, you can get into prescription. Once you complete your appointment, you will have to give a prescription to the patient. You will have to enter your comments, and if there is any medication that you will have to give in, you will have to prescribe the medicine, and then you will have to say how many days that medicine has to be taken, and what is the consumption duration. For example, you will have to have one in the morning, and another one in the lunch, another one in the night. So this is what you will have to enter into the prescription. And once you click on the submit button, the first medicine whatever you have entered, it's inserted into the prescription. The second one, if you want to enter how many ever medicines that you want, you can add the medicines here and then click on submit. Once this prescription is submitted, it will generate a PDF and it will be stored in the patient's appointment screen, and you will also have a copy of it to refer for the future appointments in case if you wanted. In the same appointment, if you look at my appointments, you will, in the past appointments, you will have an option for the prescription. So you will be able to view the prescriptions whatever you have entered for this appointment and for this patient. Now accounts. Coming into the accounts, you will have all the appointments that you have taken up for lifetime in Salvio, with the date and time, with the appointment ID and a unique order ID which is associated with that appointment. So based on this, you will be able to see how many appointments you have handled for Salvio, and what is the payout that has been come in, what is the payout that is yet to come, and things like that. And notifications. There are two notifications which we'll send up to the doctor. One is 10 minutes before the start of the appointment, we will send a notification to the doctor saying yes, there is an appointment 10 minutes from now. And second is, once the doctor starts an appointment, the patient will receive a notification saying yes, the doctor have started the appointment and he is waiting for you in the video room or in the chat room. Now there are two other things which we wanted to send here, is an SMS to the doctor saying there is an appointment which is booked at 10 o'clock in the morning by a patient, with some details, so that the doctor is prepared with the appointment. The second is 10 minutes before the appointment, we wanted to send a notification to the patient saying there is an appointment which is scheduled, and things like that. In case of any queries, you can always email us to hello@mysalvio.com. You can also visit our website www.mysalvio.com. Thank you.